Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to edit a PDF on Windows. So, let's get started. Adobe Acrobat is the most popular PDF editor available, and it offers a wide range of features, including the ability to edit text, images, and other elements of your PDF. To edit a PDF with Adobe Acrobat, simply follow these steps. Open Adobe Acrobat and click on the File menu in the top right, then select the Open option. A pop-up window will appear. From here, select your desired PDF file that you want to edit and click on Open. Now, look for the Edit PDF option in the right toolbar and simply click on it to start editing the PDF. Select the text or image you want to edit. Make your changes. After editing, click the Close button to exit from editing mode. Now you can save it. That's it. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.